Caitlin and Mike here, once again from Mechanics of Music. We have a Christmas play-along and sing-along for you, and this one is We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Download the chords in the description below, and this song is in 3/4 times, so we're going to be doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.